Hello everyone, welcome to Code in Depth. So today we are going to solve the problem number 1968, which is array with elements not equal to average of its neighbors. Okay, so this question is from the LeetCode Weekly Contest 254. So let's understand the question first, then we will discuss the approach, and then finally we will write the code and also discuss the what is the time complexity. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's begin. So what we have to do in this question is, you will be given an array of name nums. Now you have to arrange this in such a way that the middle elements is not equal to average of its neighbors. Means if our middle element is num psi, then if our middle element is num psi, then it should not be equal to nums of I minus 1 and nums of I plus 1. 2 into, since we are given an average of its neighbors. So we have to arrange the array in such a way. Now you see that, and the answer should not be unique. Means you can arrive at a different solution which is different from the given output, but your output should be correct. So in this output, what we notice is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, which is not equal to the sum of its neighbors. Again, if we see 2 and 5, so 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, which is not equal to 4. Okay, so this is the basic thing which you have to do in this problem. Now we will discuss the approach. Okay. So if you are given a number, suppose if your number is 1. So if you take both the numbers larger than it, means if you take 2 and 3, then the average of these two numbers in any case is not equal to 1. Means if your both numbers are greater than the given number, then their average would not be equal to this number. And if you have the largest number, means if you have 5, then if we take two such numbers which are both smaller than 5, like 2 and 3 or 4 and 4, then in any case the average of these two numbers is not gonna be equal to 5. So what we will do basically is, we will just sort the array first. So this is already a sorted array. Now we will see how many elements are there. Sorry, there are 5 elements. Now we will arrange the elements in such a fashion that we will arrange them in alternate places. Means if you have 1 here, then we will leave this blank for now and insert 2 here and leave this blank and insert 3 here. And when we are done with this, then again we will start inserting from the beginning. Means we will insert 4 and then 5. Now see, here 1 is the corner element, so there is no chance that it should not be equal to the average of its neighbors because it is not having the left neighbor, it is only having the right neighbor. So we have nothing to do with 1 and 3. Now see 4. The both of the elements are less than 4. So in any case their average is not going to be equal to 4. And if we consider 2, if we see 2, then both of its numbers are larger than 2, then their average is not gonna be equal to 2. And if we see 5 now, then if we see 5 now, then both of its elements are smaller than 5, then their average is not going to be equal to 5. Okay, so now we will write a code for this, and finally we will analyze the time complexity. Okay. So first we will form a vector or we can find the size first. So we will store the size of our nums vector in n. Now we will form a new vector. Vector int new vector of size n. Now we will sort our given vector. Now we will run 2 loops. Let's declare I and k here only. Okay, so for we will start I from 0 and k from 0. Now we will apply the condition while I is less than n, and we will increment I by 2 and we will increment k by 1. So in our new vector we will insert the values of the previous vector, which is nothing but nums k. Again we will run the same loop. Here we will initialize I only. Again the same condition. Now we will initialize I by 1 because now we are filling at the alternate places. I plus equal to, and then we will have new vector I is okay, and finally we will return new vector. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Let's run this. Okay, we have okay, so yeah, you can see that it's submitted, and thank you very much. Hope you liked the video, and please subscribe to the channel. We upload the LeetCode solutions in 1 or 2 days after the contest, so you will get the notification of it. So thank you very much, and bye bye.